The thing I love most about crowdfunding is that it means whatever your project is, whether it's a film or an exhibition or an event or a blog, if enough people want it to happen, it will happen. Crowdfunding means you don't have to wait to get permission. It gives the power to us. So let's use that power. Welcome to my course on crowdfunding project. This course is for small organizations or individuals who are crowdfunding either an entire project or who are using crowdfunding as a supplement for other sources of funding. No matter what stage you're currently in, whether you're just beginning to plan your campaign or whether you're already launched it, this course is for you. Big corporations and film studios often use crowdfunding as a marketing tool when they're about to launch a big product or a new film. This course is for those of us who don't have access to an entire marketing or a development team. Crowdfunding is perfect for us. When it's done right, it's an awesome opportunity not only to raise the funds that we need, but also to build an audience of supporters who are invested in the project, even if it's just with a $5 donation. I'm so excited to be able to share what I know about crowdfunding with you. I have myself gathered funds for my own campaign about stopping bullying in schools, and I used a 30-day Kickstarter campaign to raise money for this cause. I used a platform called Seek and Spark to raise money for spreading the information amongst parents and students from my hometown city. The campaign was successful. At first, it felt overwhelming, so I understand how daunting this process of crowdfunding can be. This course is divided into 5 lectures: first steps, the pitch, the launch, the inevitable slump, and final steps. The final project for this course will be to create a 1 to 3 minute pitch video for your crowdfunding project. Posting your final project is a great way to spread the word to this beautiful community, and it's so important to reach as many people as possible.